Hello friends, welcome to my channel and my name is Chirag. Today I'm going to start a new series which is name is Docker. So in this series I'm going to discuss what is a Docker, why we need Docker and some useful command for Docker. So we will see how we can install Docker in Windows machines, and we also see how we can set up Ubuntu OS in Windows using Docker. And after that we will see how we can set up Selenium WebDriver using Docker and run Selenium Greedy by using Docker. And we also see what is a Selenium, so how we can use Selenium in Selenium WebDriver and set up Selenium using Docker. And after that we will see how we can run Selenium using Docker. So all these things we are going to discuss. Apart these things, we are also discuss how we can build our images, what is a images, what is a container which is used Docker, and how is Docker is different with the VM. So we were using VM in few years back. Currently some company are using today also, but how the picture has been changed and how Dockers came into the picture. So what is the advantage of Docker, why companies start using Dockers, so how this Docker use in automation, why we use Docker in Selenium WebDriver or APM. We are using Docker with APM, and all these things we are going to use in this series. So today I'm just go show you the overview. So this is our Docker which I am showing you. If I see give Docker version, then all the information has been come. So we will discuss all these things, how we can use Dockers and the what are the commands, how we can use Selenium WebDriver. So in this video I'm just show you how the Selenium works. So this is the Selenium dashboard. So you can see that Selenium give more advantage, is give more things with the Selenium grid. So why we use this? So it records the video which the test case we are going to perform. You can see here that video has shown the opening Firefox. Here the video showing how it opens Chrome browser, what are the version, all these things we can use with Selenium. So we are going to see in this series Selenium, and this is a Docker hub. So if we needed to install any images, so what are the images, how we can use that images with container, and if I need to create new images, so how can I do, and what are the process, what are the Docker file which we need to build an image, and how we can pull the image, and how we can create a container. So all these things are come in this series, and one by one video I will show you how we can become more confidence by in the Docker. So Docker is a hot keyword. Mostly all the companies are using Docker with Selenium grid because it saves our physical requirements, physical machines, it saves our cost. And when you start using Docker, you also feel that Docker is very useful when we think in automation, and Docker is are useful in DevOps. So that DevOps is different part, they using Docker in different way, and in automation we use Docker in different way, but the core concept is same. We build images, we create container, and we run our test scripts in that container. All the things we will see in this series. So guys, thank you for watching this video and tune in with my channel for upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.